Sanibona bafethu, Orlando Pirates igame yayilandela yodlala against iTS Galaxy. Sayazi iTS Galaxy bafethu enye yama team le efunayo ukungena ku top 8 idlale ku top 8. Yabo, Orlando Pirates iyadlala manje ama games lawa sesele kwi league. Yabo, isiyadlala nje nothing much because ihleli lapha number 2 next season iyodlala ku Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns nayo iyodlala ku Champions League. Yabo, ama team ayalwa lapha afuna ukuba ku third position. Asazi ukuthi yipi team ezophelela lapha ku third position. But ke igame elandelayo kusiyona igame elula le igame kumele siyithathe, but ke for me kulama games ayiselele Orlando Pirates kumele kudlaliswe abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Yabo, from there that's my perspective about these games are remainile for Orlando Pirates. Yabo, because must check league iphelile, Mamelodi Sundowns managed to win the league when they played against the Chipa United when they beat them on 3-0. Yabo, so ilana prediction yami mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba le yabo abadlali mina engathanda ukubabona beyidlala igame lesoyidlala against iTS Galaxy. Yabo, starting from the goalkeeping position, I know Sipho Chain is one of our greatest goalkeepers, and I know Butele is the backup goalkeeper, but when we look at uDladla, bafethu uDladla akakaza ithole igame time. uDladla akakaza ithole igame time, and ngajabula ukubona uDladla bafethu eyivimbele Orlando Pirates athi ukuthola ama minutes because a second esidlalelayo right now. Yabo, i-second esidlalelayo ukudlala nje just to be there, just to yabo show ukuthi i-league ukuthi sisakhona kwi-league. Yabo, play those remaining games, but uDladla ngathanda impela kumbona umjida because what if ulimala uButhelezi, what if ulimala uSipho Chain, ubani siyomvimbisa? Asikwazi ukuvimbisa umdlali esingazi simbone evimba. So as fans we must test uDladla simbone uvimba kanjani. Yabo, ingabe umdlali lo singakwazi ukumdefender mase kuthiwa uyadayiswa? Asazi, asikaze simbone. So I would like to see uDladla eyiqala le game yeTS Galaxy. Yabo, simqalise akusiyona phela team elula iTS Galaxy, so simbona impela ukuthi ufit kangakanani ukuthi avimba against iTS Galaxy. Yabo, so ngazi mina mhlawumbe kuma comments wangitshela wena ukuthi ubani ongathanda ukumbona eyiqala le game ku goalkeeping position. Would you like to see uSipho Chain eyiqala le game noma uDladla noma uButhelezi? But for me it is uDladla bafethu. Masokuthi defender i-center back ngaqalisa uMbokazi. Yes, uMbokazi bafethu wadlalile ama games amaningi ube yi-starter for Orlando Pirates, but ke akawadlalanga ama games amaningi ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo, just for him to get the award leyo kuba i-young player of the season uyayideserve i-award yokuba young player of the season. So ukumdlalisa kule game ngamkhuphulela ama chances amaningi ukuthi ayithole le award le. Yabo, ngangitshela wona ungaqalisa back le position, maybe naye futhi uMayela angayidlala, angazi vele sesiyadlala nje manje, nothing major, nothing. Yabo, asokuthi umdlali azodlala naye ngamdlalisa noThapelo Xhoki. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu abajida bangidlalele kakhulu mfethu. Uyayikhumbula igame eyidabi, uyayikhumbula igame esayidlala eGolden Arrows, babedlala ndawonye. So ngabaqalisa bawu2 ngithi ukuphumuza kancane uSibisi mfethu. uSibisi mjida asithanda ukubona uSibisi elimele, and ngiyafuna ukubona uThapelo Xhoki iconfidence yakhe ibuyile. So ngamstatisa le game le yathi ukudlala more games uThapelo Xhoki mfethu. Yabo, ngiyafuna ukuyibona i-confidence yakhe umjida ibuyile, iphele nale rust nyana leya. So ngaqalisa ama center backs ale game mina ngawaqalisa kubi kanje. Yabo, ukhipha wami kubuDladla, kubo lo mjida lo Mbokazi, mase kuba uThapelo Xhoki. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi iyiphi indlela ongaqala ngakhona. Mase ukuthi i-right wing back yami ngaqalisa uNdlozi bafethu. umjida nayo uyadinga ukuthi awathola ama minutes njengawo wonke ama 2K esinawo ku Orlando Pirates. Akawathola ama minutes amaningi bafethu uNdlozi. So mina I would start uNdlozi in that right back position, even though he didn't start in the last game we played. He didn't start with derby mfethu. Yabo, I was looking forward for the guy to play, but he didn't get the chance. Yabo, but I will start uNdlozi. Masukuthi lapha ka left mfethu, ka left wing back mfethu ngamqalisa uMadiba. Yabo, we have nothing to lose right now. We are just playing. We want to see the young boys. Yabo, I'm sure you are seeing the pattern I'm going with this lineup. Yambona uMadiba mfethu, I will start uMadiba. Yes, I haven't seen much of the guy. We played him against the Golden Arrows. The guy was shaky at the start, but yabo, uMbokazi umjida angakwazi ukumsiza kule position. uMbokazi akwazi ukusebenzisana naye bakwazi ukuvala ama threats angalethwa iTS Galaxy. Yabo, I trust futhi uThapelo Xhoki to help the young boy uNdlozi bakwazi ucommunicate kule position le aka right. Yabo, masukuthi lapha ku number 6 ngadlalisa uTalente Mbatha. I know it's not his favorite position to play. I know it is not his favorite position to play, but when you look at the team we are playing against, iTS Galaxy ayiqinanga kakhulu eswini. Yabo, ayinabo abadlali aba-that threatening eswini yabo. So when we play umdlalo njengoThalente Mbatha, uThalente Mbatha yes sometimes uba exposed mekumele defend, but I trust the boy. But umjida yena ngiyamthemba ukuthi kule game le akwazi ukukhuphula amasokisi yabo, akwazi ukukhuphula amasokisi, akwazi ukudlala kahle ibhola yabo, because lapha eswini sidinga abadlali aba-creative. We are playing against i-team engaqinanga ngaleyo ndlela eswini. Njengadlala nge-team engaqinanga ngaleyo ndlela eswini, kumele sibe nabadlali aba-creative, because uma ukhumbula kahle badlala ne-Sundowns badlala badlala i-mid block, bakwazi ukuyishaya i-Sundowns nge-mid block yabo. Njengoba bezokwazi bezodlala nge-mid block kuthina eswini asidingi naso abadlali abaqinile, sidinga abadlali aba-creative kuphela, because siyazi bazosishaya nge-mid block. Kwi-mid block you don't need abadlali abaqinile, you need abadlali abakwaziyo ukumova ibhola, abadlali abakwaziyo ukuswitcha ibhola. uThalente Mbatha unaleso skill sokuswitch ibhola yabo. Leso skill sokuswitch ibhola siyasithanda kakhulu-ke, because bebezoshaya i-mid block ispace esilapha emuva, there will be space behind the defense. Mekuzoba khona ispace behind the defense, uThalente Mbatha he has an eye to see abadlali abakwazi yabo ukudlala kuleyo position, because mukhumbula kahle igoli la Koronkota kuSoweto Derby, uThalente Mbatha was the person who switched that pass to uNkota. He played the ball yabo behind the defense. So ngamdlalisa mina as number 6 kule game uThalente Mbatha. Angazi mhlawumbe ungangitshela nama comments Makhehleni Makhawula ulimele, you saw the boy. Masethi umdlali omunye uzodlala phambi kwaThalente Mbatha kubani kubuDlamini. Dlamini creative bafethu, sidinga abadlali aba creative lapha eswini. Ngaqalisa yena mina uDlamini. Ungangitshela wena ungaqalisa ba, but for me I will start uDlamini. uDlamini bets. Yes, Tito Maswanganyi, yeah. But in the game, I don't think something cool Tito Maswanganyi. I think the boy will slow down in the game. I think the game is slow, the game is fast. Yabo, the game is fast. Because Messi slow down the game la bawushaya mid block. Bawushaya mid block, bayakwazi ukudlala ukufaka abadlali abaningi baziswing. So meso shaya igame slow bazovela balisheshe balithatha ibhola yabo. Mase kuba omunye umdlali uSelepe uyakwazi ukubamba ibhola switch. He's another player okwazi ukushaya ama pass, yakwazi ukureader abadlali abaseduze kwakhe yabo, uyakwazi ukureader igame. So ngiyamdinga ngempela kule game le, singakwazi ukumsebenzisa kakhulu naye, ngiyadinga ukumbona yabo. I need to see more of uSelepe. I need to see him playing for Orlando Pirates. We saw the last game we played against the Golden Arrows. The boy was magnificent yabo. I need to see more of uSelepe, so I will start him kule game le yabo. Angazi ngezwe ngawe kona ungaqalisa ba, but for me so far the scheme list I think uyabona ama young players yabo. For now kusawudladla uMbokazi, uMadiba, uNdlozi, uSelepe yabo. Masukuthi ka right wing I will play uKarim Kimvuidi. I know it's not his position yabo. Maybe he may drift towards the central attacking midfielder. Masukuthi uDlamini aye wide lapha, because uDlamini uyakwazi vele ukudlala wide. Back in Bloemfontein Celtic he was playing as a right winger, so I would put uDlamini in that position and put uKarim Kimvuidi there yabo. Uma izinto zingamhambeli kahle they may switch the positions yabo. Karim Kimvuidi, I need to see more of uKarim Kimvuidi. Umchita this season ilike ayikakazi ibe ngakuyena mfethu. Umchita on off yabo, azikho ningi izinto eziza ngakuyena, but ke sadinga ukumbona umchita edlala. I feel like njoba ayithola game time, but ke usanalobo Brastiniano uyabona ukuthi agcina ukudlala yabo. So I'll start him in this game. Sidlala neTS Galaxy, we have nothing to lose. We don't want nothing much, we're just playing. So kuthi ka left obvious bengimhlalise ebenchini, bengimhlalise ngemastands, I would play uMfokeng any day. I would play uMfokeng any day. I would play uMfokeng. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi ungadlalisa ba kule position, but mina kumnyama kubuva I would play uMfokeng. Mase kuthi lapha phambili up front I would play uRadioBane. Boitumelo uRadioBane, even though the boy is not giving us what we need, but we need to see a lot of Boitumelo uRadioBane. Kulama games asele kumele uBoitumelo uRadioBane aqale. Kulama games asele uBoitumelo uRadioBane kumele aqale yabo. Uma ngenayo confidence maybe singadlalisa uMabasa, but for me isona mina scheme lesingasetha yabo. Imuva kuba udladla phambi kwakhe ama center backs awu2, kube uMbokazi benoXoki, masikuthi right wing back kube uNdlozi, left wing back kube uMadiba. Umdlalo ozodlala kwi position yaMakhehleni Makhawula uzodlala u6 kube uMbatha. Uthi abadlala phambi kwakhe uSelepe noDlamini, right winger Kimvuidi, masekuthi uMfokeng, masekuthi uRadioBane. Ungangitshela wena ngescheme sakho uvano lo ngiyabona.